So let us discuss one more problem based on trigonometric identities of 10th standard CBSE or ICSE also, right? So let us see what the problem is. Here we need to show that 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta equal to secant theta minus tan theta whole square. It's a very simple problem, a bit tricky, right? Within minutes we can get it. Okay, anyways, so let us take LHS part of this. LHS. That would be 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. Okay, so now for my convenience I want to multiply and divide with 1 minus sin theta. Why I am multiplying with that factor only, I'll tell you further, right? See here, multiplying and dividing with 1 minus sin theta. One minus sin theta is okay. Now multiplying on numerator part, 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta multiplied 2 times, so therefore we get square 1 minus sin theta for this whole square by 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, which is in the form of what? A plus b into a minus b. I think you know about the standard algebraic identity. A plus b into a minus b would be what? This would be a square minus b square, as you know before. Okay, from 7th standard and 8th standard we learned this from algebra, so we can apply this here also. If you consider this 1 as a and sin theta as b, this is in the form of what? A plus b into a minus b, which can be written as what? A square minus b square. So this is 1 square minus sin square theta, right? So to adjust in this pattern I multiplied with 1 minus sin theta. Understood? I just to adjust into this pattern I multiplied with 1 minus sin theta, so that here plus is there, if minus will be there, then we get this pattern. Understood? So anyways, so now this can be further written as what? 1 minus sin theta whole square by, this is 1 square is 1 itself, that means 1 minus sin square theta. Again take the help of first trigonometric identity, which is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Okay, from this what can you say? Here if you send this sin square theta to that side of the equation, then cos square theta would be what? 1. Here sin square theta is having positive sign, and going that side it becomes minus, so therefore this is minus 1 minus sin square theta. So wherever you are getting 1 minus sin square theta, there you can replace it with cos square theta or not? Yes. So here also you have 1 minus sin square theta, replace it with cos square theta. Just see 1 minus sin theta for this whole square by cos square theta. Since this power is common for numerator and denominator, we can put whole square. From the property a to the power of m by b to the power of m equal to a by b whole to the power of m, which is law of exponent. So here also square is there, here also square is there. We can put the square in common for both numerator and denominator part. 1 minus sin theta by cos theta whole to the whole square. Now inside the bracket, if you want to solve, then separate the fractions. Then what do you get? This is 1 by cos theta minus here sin theta by cos theta, and put this square whole square. Now what is 1 by cos theta? Is it secant theta or not? Yes, because those two are reciprocals of each other. When 1 by cos theta can be written as 1 by secant theta, and secant theta can be written as 1 by cos theta, so therefore we can write it like that. So this is secant theta minus sin theta by cos theta. What is the ratio between sin and cos ratios? Is it tangent ratio or not? It represents tan theta, so therefore that would be your tan theta for this whole square, because it is there. So therefore, did we obtain our required result or not? Exactly. So we got RHS. Anyhow, we took LHS part and we got RHS, so it's very simple problem to do this. Here only a bit trick you need to apply here is just we need to multiply and divide with 1 minus sin theta. Further you can do every step. It's a small thing. Understood? And moreover, this is given in 1995 CBSE board exams. Understood? Anyways, it doesn't mean that it will be repeatedly given now also, but we are preferring that. Understood? So anyways guys, I hope you would have understood this. Of course you can understand because it's a simple one, and if you did not understand or if you want anything else from us, don't forget to do the put the comments. We'll definitely observe the comment session and we'll answer your comments, and we try to make the videos on the opinion from the comment section. Anyways, for today this is it.